I use copper hooks and copper wire to make better more conductible. Next, I go in a hot soap cleaner. This is a hot soap cleaner with caustic soda. This helps to remove any oil, grease, residue, or any surface paint. And it's making electricity, conductivity, and it's reverse current, not a direct current. The advantage of the reverse current is it helps to strip. It's removing all the oil, the grease. And it stays here for a couple of minutes. Sometimes it may stay longer, depends on how much oil and grease or paint or residue it has. There it goes. All the oil residue has been stripped off, removed. Now I'm going to go to a rinse, water rinse. And next is going to the nickel strip. This is a nickel strip. And it stays here about 15 minutes. Then I turn on the rectifier. And instead of direct and reverse, it's reverse direct. The knotted colors are switched, so now it's stripping it. And it'll stay here about 15 minutes in the nickel strip. There it goes, stripping. It's got about 5 minutes, and you can see the brass. In the plating industry, we call it the substrate. Still needs some more time, so it has a lot of nickel on it. Okay. There it goes, this one's ready. Now it's been stripped to the base or the substrate. Now I just rinse it. And another rinse. The other one, the same process. Still not ready. Still not ready. Now it's stripped to the substrate. Now it's ready to go to the polishing department. So it's been polished and wired. Now it's ready for copper plating. And after the copper plating, he's going to buff it again. That helps to fill a lot of the pits.
What does the brushing do?
Removes the polishing compound. So when he polished it, he left compound. I don't know if you saw him use a compound root.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it sticks on the part. And that's what I'm removing, is the compound. Because if I don't remove that polishing compound, it'll plate around it. And you'll be able to see it. It'll look like a stain. See right there? The compound right there. Compound right there. That's what I'm removing. That's what the soap helps to remove, and the brush. Now I'm rinsing it. And I'll rinse. Now it's going into the copper tank. It's gonna stay here for an hour. It's already getting copper. And after the copper, we're gonna buff it. Rick.